Yesterday I go to the store. Or is it, yesterday I went to the store? Do you get confused with past tense in English? Today we fix that. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. The simple past tense lets you talk about finished actions, things that happened yesterday, last week, or years ago. Let's learn it step by step. Section 1. Regular verbs. Most English verbs are regular. To make the past tense, add ed to the verb. Work becomes worked. Walk becomes walked. Call becomes called. Play becomes played. Watch becomes watched. Let's use them in sentences. I worked yesterday. She called me last night. We watched a movie on Saturday. If the verb ends in E, just add D. Like becomes liked. Live becomes lived. Practice. Change I walked to school to the past. Answer I walked to school. Well done. Section 2. Irregular verbs. Some common verbs do not follow the ed rule. These are called irregular verbs. You must memorize them. Here are the most important ones. Go becomes went. I went to the market. Have becomes had. She had a great day. See becomes saw. We saw a great film. Come becomes came. He get becomes got. I got a new job. Make becomes made. They made dinner. Take becomes took. She took the bus. Buy becomes bought. I bought new shoes. These 8 irregular verbs are used every day. Learn them first. They appear all the time. Section 3. Negatives and questions. To make a negative sentence in the past, use did not or didn't. I didn't go to school. She didn't call me. Notice the main verb goes back to base form after didn't, not I didn't went. Say I didn't go. For questions, put did at the front. Did you call her? Did he go to the party? What did you do yesterday? And the short answers are yes, I did or no, I didn't. Practice. Turn this into a question. You ate breakfast. Answer, did you eat breakfast? Perfect. Quick recap. Simple past. Regular verbs, add ed. Worked, walked, called. Irregular verbs, go, went, have, had, see, saw. Negatives, didn't plus base verb, I didn't go. Questions, did plus subject base verb, did you go? Now you can talk about the past in English. That's a huge step. Write one sentence in the comments. Tell me what you did yesterday in simple past tense. I will check your sentence and reply. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.